Welcome, little veggie explorers. We are going to see a list of 18 fantastic vegetables and how fun they can be when we put them into 4 groups. It's going to be fun and interesting. Are you ready to see the colorful world of vegetables? If you are ready, I am ready. Let's go.
1. Carrots. Carrots are like nature's orange ones, filled with magical vitamins that help keep your eyes strong and your vision sharp, just like a superhero's. They come in all shapes and sizes, from long and skinny to short and chubby, making them perfect for munching on or turning into fun shapes like carrot sticks or coins.
2. Bell peppers are like colorful bells ringing with flavor. They come in 3 vibrant colors: red, yellow, and green, each offering a different taste sensation. These crunchy veggies are not only delicious but also packed with vitamin C, helping you stay strong and healthy. Plus, they're great for adding a pop of color to your plate or creating fun faces with their different shapes.
3. Cherry tomatoes. Cherry tomatoes are like tiny bursts of sunshine in your mouth, exploding with juicy flavor with every bite. They're perfect for snacking on straight from the vine or adding a burst of freshness to salads, sandwiches, or even pasta dishes. Plus, they're so colorful and cute, making them irresistible to kids of all ages.
4. Cucumber. Cucumbers are like crunchy coolers, refreshing and hydrating, perfect for hot summer days or after a fun-filled playtime. With their crispy texture and mild flavor, cucumbers are great for munching on as a healthy snack or adding a refreshing crunch to salads, sandwiches, or even homemade pickles.
5. Sweet corn. Sweet corn is like nature's candy, bursting with sweetness and sunshine in every golden kernel. Whether you enjoy it on the cob or off, sweet corn is a delicious and nutritious treat that's perfect for picnics, barbecues, or even just a cozy night at home with your family. 6. Baby carrots. Baby carrots are like adorable orange rockets, ready to fuel your adventures with their crunchy goodness. Whether you enjoy them as a quick and easy snack or dip them into your favorite hummus or yogurt dip, baby carrots are perfect for satisfying your hunger while on the go.
7. Sugar snap peas. Sugar snap peas are like nature's candy, offering a delightful crunch and sweetness in every bite. These tasty treats are not only delicious but also packed with fiber and vitamins to keep you feeling full and energized. Plus, they're great for adding a pop of green to salads or stir-fries or simply enjoying as a healthy snack.
8. Edamame. Edamame are like little green treasures, hiding a protein-packed surprise inside each pod. These tasty soybeans are not only delicious but also nutritious, providing a healthy dose of protein, fiber, and essential vitamins and minerals. Plus, they're fun to eat and make a great addition to stir-fries, salads, or simply enjoyed on their own as a tasty snack.
9. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are like nature's candy, offering a deliciously sweet and creamy flavor that's perfect for any meal. Whether you enjoy them baked, mashed, or roasted, sweet potatoes are packed with vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants to keep you feeling healthy and satisfied. Plus, they come in a variety of colors from orange to purple, adding a vibrant twist to your plate.
10. Avocado. Avocado is like nature's butter, creamy and delicious, perfect for spreading on toast or adding to salads and sandwiches. Packed with healthy fats, fiber, and vitamins, avocado is not only tasty but also nutritious, helping you feel full and satisfied. Plus, its mild flavor and creamy texture make it a favorite among kids and adults alike.
11. Zucchini. Zucchini is like a green superhero, saving the day with its versatile flavor and endless possibilities in the kitchen. Whether you enjoy it grilled, roasted, or sautéed, zucchini is deliciously nutritious, packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Plus, its mild flavor and tender texture make it a favorite ingredient in everything from pasta dishes to baked goods. 12. Broccoli. Broccoli is like a mini tree, packed with powerful nutrients and vitamins to help you grow big and strong. Whether you enjoy it steamed, roasted, or stir-fried, broccoli is a versatile and nutritious vegetable that's perfect for adding to your favorite dishes. Plus, its fun shape and vibrant green color make it a favorite among kids who love to eat their greens.
13. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is like a blank canvas, ready to be transformed into delicious and nutritious creations in the kitchen. Whether you enjoy it roasted, mashed, or turned into cauliflower rice, this versatile vegetable is packed with vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants to keep you feeling healthy and satisfied. Plus, its mild flavor and tender texture make it a favorite among kids, especially when served with a tasty dip for dunking.
14. Green beans. Green beans are like crunchy green sticks, offering a burst of freshness and flavor in every bite. Whether you enjoy them steamed, sautéed, or roasted, green beans are a delicious and nutritious vegetable that's perfect for adding to your favorite dishes. Plus, their vibrant green color and crisp texture make them a favorite among kids who love to eat their veggies.
15. Celery. Celery is like a crunchy green straw, perfect for sipping up tasty dips and spreads or enjoying on its own as a healthy snack. Packed with water, fiber, and vitamins, celery is not only hydrating but also nutritious, helping you feel full and satisfied. Plus, its crisp texture and mild flavor make it a versatile ingredient in everything from soups and salads to stir-fries and snacks like the classic ants on a log.
16. Spinach. Spinach is like a leafy superhero, packed with superpowers to keep you strong and healthy. It's full of vitamins and minerals like iron and calcium, which help your bones and muscles grow big and strong. You can enjoy spinach in so many fun ways. Whether it's in a delicious smoothie that turns it into a secret ingredient PSS date. Don't worry, you won't even taste it. Or cooked into yummy dishes like pasta or pizza, spinach adds a burst of green goodness to your meals.
17. Peas. Peas are like little green powerhouses, filled with all the good stuff your body needs to stay healthy and happy. They're full of vitamins and fiber, which help keep your tummy feeling good and your energy levels up. Plus, peas are super versatile. You can enjoy them on their own as a tasty snack, or mix them into soups, salads, or even make them a star ingredient in yummy dishes like fried rice or shepherd's pie. They're like tiny bursts of flavor that make every meal more fun.
18. Asparagus. Asparagus is like a long green spear, ready to add a pop of color and flavor to your plate. It's packed with vitamins and antioxidants, which help keep your body healthy and strong. You can enjoy asparagus in so many cool ways, whether it's roasted until it's crispy and delicious or grilled and served with a yummy dipping sauce. Asparagus is a fun and tasty veggie that's perfect for adding a touch of fancy to any meal.
Let's meet the Crunchy Crew and friends. The Crunchy Crew raw vegetables for snacking.
Hey there, kids. We're the Crunchy Crew, your go-to veggies for munching and crunching. I'm Carrot, the orange powerhouse packed with vitamins for strong eyes and superhero vision. And I'm Pepper, adding a burst of colour and tanginess to every bite. We've got cherry tomato and cucumber, the dynamic duo of freshness and juiciness. Then there's baby carrot and sugar snap pea, the tiny titans of snack time, perfect for popping into your mouth. And don't forget about our cool friend celery, great for making tasty ants on a log or dipping into your favourite spreads. Together, we make snacking healthy, fun, and oh so delicious.
Group 2, the Steam Team steamed or boiled vegetables. Hey kiddos, we're the Steam Team, here to bring you veggies that are soft, tender, and bursting with flavor. I'm Sweet Corn, the golden delight that adds a pop of sweetness to any meal. And I'm Snap Pea, the crunchy green bean that's perfect for munching on or tossing into stir fries. Edamame here, bringing a protein punch and a fun game of pop the beans to your plate. Sweet Potato reporting in, offering a sweet and savory twist that's perfect for fries or mash. Then there's Zucchini and Green Bean, the dynamic duo of deliciousness, ready to be steamed, boiled or stir-fried to perfection. We're the Steam Team, making veggies tasty and tender for every mealtime adventure. Group 3, the Cooking Crew versatile vegetables for cooking.
Hello, young chefs. We're the Cooking Crew, your trusty veggies for whipping up culinary masterpieces in the kitchen. I'm Broccoli, the green machine packed with vitamins and nutrients, ready to be steamed, roasted, or stir-fried into your favorite dishes. And I'm Cauliflower, the versatile veggie that can be mashed, riced, or roasted into crispy perfection. Spinach here, bringing a burst of green goodness to your smoothies, salads, or pasta dishes. We're the Cooking Crew, ready to turn your kitchen into a culinary playground.
Group 4, the Unique Bunch miscellaneous or unique vegetables.
Hey kids, we're the Unique Bunch, a quirky and eclectic mix of veggies that bring a dash of fun and flavor to the table.
I'm avocado, the creamy, dreamy fruit-vegetable hybrid that's perfect for spreading on toast or making guacamole. Sure, I might be a bit different, but that's what makes me so special. So whether you're scooping me up with chips or adding me to your sandwiches, get ready for a taste sensation like no other. We're the unique bunch, bringing excitement and adventure to your taste buds.
Great job today, little veggie explorers. I'm so proud of you for learning all about vegetables with me. Vegetables are not only good for you, but they can also be super tasty and fun to eat. Remember to eat a rainbow of vegetables every day to keep your bodies happy and strong. Keep exploring, keep trying new things, and most importantly, keep having fun. Bye for now.
Welcome to the wonderful world of veggies, where the crunchy crew reigns supreme as your ultimate snacking companions.